Yes. May gani ka nakapas pag may sa rodeo, may igala. Kala namin wala na, pero nandito na. Let's do this.
So once I found rodeo and I found bull riding, it was the perfect scenario, because I love that adrenaline rush. I love the challenge of riding unrideable bulls, and I love the travel. Always like seeing what was over the next hill. There was always great bulls around, and you admired them. Some guys made heroes out of them to the point where, in their mind, they become impossible to ride. Probably 95% of the guys that start out with the intention of riding bulls end up in that failure category because they never conquer the mental side of the game. When you clear your head of all conscious thought, you access the experience of 10,000 lifetimes. There's nothing you don't already know how to do. And I've been in that state where I just invented moves. And that's that state of being totally out of your conscious mind and over on the unconscious side. You'll amaze yourself once you get over there what happens. It's almost like when my best rides, I felt like I was above myself watching myself. It was almost like an out-of-the-body experience. So when you kind of get into that state, you drop down on the same level as your animal. So he's reading my thoughts. He's picking up on do this, do that. It was weird. But when you get in that right state of mind, things happen. No matter what your problems are in life, it's just like going out and facing that bull every day. Look at what you're up against and then figure a way to make it work. But that's the way life is. You just hope you're going to be a success. Good luck. You become a success from the attitude and the work that you put in.